another one.
Ay, 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 ay.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Whoa, 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 hey, 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 hey.
It's free real estate.
Hacker Man. He's the most powerful hacker of all time.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Would you stop doing shit, Ben?
Are you sure about that?
Do it! Just do it!
Oh, please, please, God, someone, please. Let me do this, let me do this, let me do this. Yes! 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 No! 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 Fuck! Shit!
Current segment on our show called Explain That Gram, where we do a deep dive on our guest Instagram, pull interesting pictures. Has your attitude towards the sports press shifted since becoming an
Nice.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Oh my God! Wow! Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
Is the weed on the show real?
No.
Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Stop! Stop it. Get some help.
This is not right. This is not cool. This is fucking bullshit.
Snoop Dogg! Oh, yeah. Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick-ass boy.
And I've got to say, in all honesty, it's the biggest piece of dog shit.
This is Sparta!